and welcome to Food and Magic. In this video, you will see how to make natural extracts at home from vanilla pods, orange, cinnamon and mint. It's a very simple technique and the results are outstanding. The shelf life of these extracts is much longer and the flavors are amazing. So before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for my future uploads for free. So without further ado, let's get started with the recipe. Let's see how to prepare the orange extract. For that, wash and dry an orange 4 to 5 hours prior to making the extract so that there is no trace of moisture left. Peel the skin thinly and take care not to take the white part underneath the skin as it is very bitter to taste. The peeler works best as it helps to peel thinly unlike a knife. We are going to use only the peels and keep away the orange. Here you can see the peels are very thin. Here I am going to take a sterilized bottle and the process of sterilization will be shown towards the end of this video. Put all the peels inside the bottle. This is a 100 ml bottle, so the peels of one orange is enough for this quantity. Once added to the bottle, simply top it up with vodka. Vodka has a neutral aroma, so it is a versatile medium to make extracts which will not hinder the aroma of the fruit. Also, it acts as a preservative so that the extract does not catch any fungus and will have a good shelf life. Close the lid tightly and let it rest for 6 weeks before you use it. I have already prepared this extract earlier and will show you how it looks. You can see the color difference too. I can't just wait to open it as every time I open it the room fills up with fresh aroma. Wow, and the aroma is just fantastic and it has got its golden color from the peels. You can use it in tea cakes, cupcakes and desserts. This technique of using vodka is generally used to prepare natural extracts at home rather than glycerin and any other ingredients. Remember to keep it tightly closed in a cool place away from sunlight. Next, let's see how to make mint extract. For that, all you need is a handful of mint leaves. Take care to remove the black colored leaves and the stems as we need only the leaves. Take a sterilized bottle and add in the leaves by breaking down into pieces to release the aroma. This extract smells very refreshing and can be used in desserts and ice creams. Once done, top it up with vodka and it's ready to be stored for 6 weeks before you use it. Also, you need not use an high-end vodka or a very cheap one. I have used Smirnoff, which works best to make these extracts. And here a mint extract is done. Let's move on to the much awaited vanilla extract. This is the best extract that I ever made. It has an amazing aroma. To prepare the vanilla extract, I'm going to use vanilla pods. I'm opening the packing so that you get a clear idea as to how the pods are available. The pods come in a tightly packed glass tube. Let's open it. And the aroma is just fantastic. I'm going to use only one pod as I have already prepared this extract a few months ago to show it to you. It's better if you use both the pods if you are making it for the first time. Split open the pod which has seeds inside and they hold the vanilla aroma in them. I will scrap the seeds and show you. And here these are the very tiny vanilla seeds. I'm going to put these seeds in a bottle and cut the pods into pieces and add them as well into the bottle. The best part of this extract is that it has an extraordinary shelf life. All you need to do is once you use the extract halfway, just top it up with vodka and it keeps making the extract. There is no need to add fresh vanilla pods each time too. This extract can be used in cakes, desserts and ice creams. One point to note is that this extract will be at its best aroma after 6 months from making it. So store it in a dark place and do not forget to wake it up from sleep by shaking it after every few days. Coming back to the recipe, can you see the tiny seeds floating in vodka? So it's important to shake the bottle to release the seeds from the pod. I have already prepared this extract 6 months ago and the color has changed with time. I will open and show you. Just look at this color. Its aroma too is simply amazing. It's a pure natural vanilla extract made at home and it is so easy. Just remember a few do's and don'ts and you can use it for years and years. Similarly, you can make cinnamon extract at home. I will show you the one I prepared a few months ago. The cinnamon sticks have released a wonderful color and aroma. This extract too can be used in cakes, cupcakes and desserts. The color looks similar to vanilla and so it is important to label the bottles to avoid confusion. To make this extract, all you need is a big cinnamon stick broken into pieces and topped up with vodka. Keep it for 6 weeks and then it is ready for use. But the best results will be obtained after 6 months. You can also prepare lemon extract the same way I showed you how to prepare the orange extract, and believe me, it's such a pleasure to use homemade extracts in baking. And here our homemade extracts are ready to be labeled. Do try out making these extracts at home. You can store them in the cool and dark places for longer shelf life. If you have any doubt, you can write your query in the comment box given down below. Towards the end of the video, I will show you how I sterilize the bottles. Here I have taken 4 to 5 liters of water. When it starts to boil, add the glass bottles and let it boil for 15 minutes. After about 12 minutes, I have added the lids and boiled them for 3 to 4 minutes too. Turn off the gas and let the water come to the room temperature. Then dry the bottles on the wire rack overnight. And the next day, the bottles are ready for use. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, do share this video with your friends and family. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.